Are you looking for a unique way to earn easy money? Do you have a vehicle and a valid driver's license? If your answers are positive, then you may want to learn about companies that pay individuals to advertise on their cars. Yes, that's true. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 companies that pay you to advertise on your car, making you earn some cool cash on the side. Ready? Then strap in. But first, here's how it works. There are many companies that are more than willing to pay you if you let them run ads with your car. This concept is known as car wrapping or vehicle advertising, and it makes the list of the best side hustles you can cash in on this year. Here's how it works. Companies wrap your car with vinyl advertising, displaying a specific message, and then compensate you monthly or upon campaign completion. Your earnings vary by company, but most agencies calculate payments based on your commuting time, so the more you drive, the more you can earn. Now let's dive into the top 5 companies that pay you to advertise on your car. 1. Wrapify. Since 2015, Wrapify has been connecting advertisers with a passion for mobile marketing to drivers like you. By wrapping your car with eye-catching ads, you can earn money based on the miles you drive, turning your vehicle into a revenue-generating moving billboard. Uber, Postmates, and Lyft are some of Wrapify's top partners that will pay you to run their ads. How the program works. Join Wrapify's advertising network by downloading the app, creating a profile, and completing the onboarding process. Drive your usual routes for 50 miles with the tracker enabled, and you'll start receiving campaign invitations tailored to your driving habits and location. Once invited, register on the app and get the ad stickers applied to your car. Most Wrapify drivers earn a monthly income between $181 and $452, depending on their mileage and campaign participation. Here are some benefits. You can choose the campaigns you'd like to participate in. Flexible campaign scheduling to fit your needs. Predictable payment schedule every other Friday. No upfront costs or fees. Some drawbacks include: earnings are capped at 25 to 35 miles per day, with no payment for additional mileage. Certain vehicle models are ineligible, including Hummer, Wrangler, PT Cruiser, HHR, VW Beetle, and soft-top convertibles, restricting participation. 2. Carvertise. With partners like McDonald's, Coca-Cola, and Bud Light, Carvertise is a leading car advertisement company with a vast network of drivers spanning the whole of the United States. Carvertise has successfully brought captivating advertisements to the roads, turning everyday vehicles into mobile billboards that grab attention and leave a lasting impact. How the program works. To get started with Carvertise, visit their website and fill out the application form with your basic information. The company will then match you with brands that align with your daily commute and driving habits. Once approved, Carvertise will wrap your car with an advertisement and pay you a monthly fee via direct deposit. The pay varies by campaign, but most drivers earn a base rate of $100 per month. When the campaign ends, the ad is removed, and you're free to continue driving with a bare vehicle or sign up for another campaign. Here are a few benefits. Exclusive discounts via the Perks program at participating auto stores nationwide. Estimated earnings up to $500. Monthly payments receivable via direct bank deposits. Some drawbacks include: minimum daily driving requirement of 30 miles. Vehicle requirement: must have a newer car. For example, specific model, year or age may vary. And limited campaign offers. 3. Stickerride. With a network of nearly 40,000 drivers, Stickerride has been a go-to platform for drivers looking to make money from car wrapping since 2013. The company empowers drivers to reduce vehicle expenses by offering exclusive discounts, while promoting popular brands on the go. How the program works. To begin with Stickerride, download the app, register your car, and choose a suitable advertising campaign. Visit the specified location to have your vehicle cleaned and sticker ads applied. With the stickers in place, you'll start earning as you drive. Just turn on the app while driving, and Stickerride will track your miles and calculate your earnings based on your tariff rate, which depends on the sticker type, vehicle type, and location. Your payments will vary according to your location, vehicle, and mileage. Some of the benefits are: enjoy flexibility and personalization with various sticker positioning and size choices. Boost your earnings through fun and interactive opportunities like quests and flash mobs, which offer bonus points as a reward. Some drawbacks are: constant app operation while driving. Unclear pay structure. 4. Free car media. Free car media has a traditional approach, requiring manual mileage tracking, but it makes up for it in the form of extended campaign durations that surpass industry standards. This results in a reliable and consistent income stream for drivers who partner with them. How the program works. Free Car Media specializes in rear window decals, offering a monthly payout of $50 or more for participating drivers. If you opt for a full vehicle wrap, your earnings can increase to up to $400 per month. The company's advertising campaigns typically span between 6 months to 2 years, ensuring a prolonged period of payment for selected drivers. However, driving for free car media requires a long-term commitment. If you choose the full wrap option, you may need to have your vehicle re-wrapped during the campaign period, which free car media will cover, but it's an additional consideration to keep in mind when agreeing to a campaign. Some benefits are: offers long-term campaigns, 6 months to 2 years, providing a steady source of income. You can earn up to $400 per month. Some drawbacks include: requires manual mileage tracking, which can be time-consuming and old school. Long-term commitment may not be suitable for everyone. May require vehicle re-wrapping during the campaign period, although the company covers the cost. 5. Nickelytics. Nickelytics, a recent entrant in the industry, offers advertising campaigns to drivers who log a significant number of miles, provided they meet the specified daily, weekly, and monthly driving requirements. The company prioritizes drivers working for rideshare or delivery services, but also welcomes daily drivers who can satisfy its demanding mileage requirements. As a nationwide company, Nickelytics provides opportunities for drivers to join its platform from anywhere in the country. How the program works. To get started, you will apply through their app, which involves a credibility check. If you're at least 18 years old, have a clean driving record, and drive a minimum of 30 miles daily, 150 miles weekly, and 450 miles monthly, you'll be eligible to participate in local campaigns. Once qualified, Nickelytics will put you in touch with a nearby installer to wrap your vehicle. Your earnings will depend on the specific campaign and pay scale, but you can typically expect to earn between $175 and $200 per month, with some campaigns offering up to $500. Here are some benefits. Older cars, up to 10 years, can still be eligible. Nickelytics covers the installation costs. No sign-up fees required. The drawbacks are: driver's license and car's VIN required. That's it. There you have the list of companies that pay you to advertise on your car. As a driver who spends a lot of time on the road, you may have explored various ways to earn extra money. Turning your vehicle into a moving billboard can be a lucrative passive income stream, helping to offset some of the expenses that come with driving. While the companies mentioned earlier may be worth considering, it's crucial to carefully evaluate their terms and payment arrangements to find the best fit for your needs. Now, if you want to check the full earning process, just go to thebusinesspursuits.com/companies that pay you to advertise on your car. Thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure to like and subscribe to The Business Pursuits. Thanks again.